Okay, this is the phone. I need to replace the ringer. Okay, the ringer is not working perfectly down here. Okay, so I need to remove the 2 screws and replace the new ringer for this phone. Okay, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, so now I need to take out these 2 screws down here. Okay, after I take out the 2 screws down there, you have to find a pen set. If you have a pen set, use the pen set. You just open the screen. You be careful, you just put in between the rubber with the metal, just put in between the pen set like this. You take your time, you just place it up like this and try to open it right around. Okay, don't push the pen set down much inside, you just put it halfway like this. Okay, you just put it halfway like this. Just put it halfway like this. Open it right around. Be careful, don't put the pen that much inside. Just open it up slowly like this, because the glue is there, so you just don't put it inside that much. Okay, you open this other side also. Do it slowly. Be careful for the connector also, don't put the pen that much, just put it halfway like this. Okay, you try to open it slowly, because it's the first time to open it, so you just put the pen set halfway, don't put it full, just put it halfway so you can have a way to remove the glue. Okay, then you try to slide the screen cam down, open this side. Okay, be careful, don't force it. Okay, then you try to pull the screen down like this. Okay, make sure you open it slowly, don't force it. Okay, then you open the side like this. Make sure you open it like the side way like this. Okay, after you open the phone, okay, make sure you just put the screen like this and hold the one screen with your one hand. Okay, you have to take out this 4 screw here. You make sure you put them different place, because iPhone have different type of screw. At least you do it like this, it's more easier for you to fix back the screw where you take it from. Okay, so now you need to remove this metal. You do it slowly. You take out this metal, put it one side. Okay, and you make sure you have all the screwdriver. iPhone have different type of screw. Okay, you take out the ringer screw here, put it different side. Okay, there's another screw you need to loose from down here. Remove those 2 screws. Okay, remove this other one inside there. Okay, and now you take out the ringer. You disconnect the ringer cable, this one, disconnect it and remove the ringer. Just take it out. Okay, you remove the ringer. Okay, now you replace the new one. You just put it inside, just like how you take out the other ones. Okay, then you put back the 2 screws first, the one here down this side. Make sure you put it very nice. Put this one inside also. Okay, place this one also. Make sure you know where you take out all the screws so that you can fix them back exactly how you take them. Okay, after you put all the screws, you connect the ringer cable. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't press it in if you don't have the right position, so you don't spoil the connector. Okay, make sure it's fixed properly. Okay, now you put the cover back, you take out, and make sure you place back all the screw you take out from there. It's 4 screw. Okay, then you finish, you close the phone back. Make sure you start to close from the top here. You just press the top inside like this. Okay, then you close it down, close the middle. Okay, and you replace back the 2 screws you take out from the back here. Okay, after you finish, you need to on the phone. Then you test the ringer and see if the ringer is working. You on the phone and wait for the phone to on. Okay, after the phone on finish, you go to the settings. Okay, you just go to setting, go to the ringing side, try to test the ringer. Okay, and see if the sound is okay. Okay, you heard the sound. The sound is working perfectly. See, everything okay. That means the ringer is okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.